warfare is no more a specific domain warfare. The warfare is across the domains: space, land, sea, air, cyberspace. All this is playing out simultaneously. What is it leading to? It is leading to a multi-domain warfare. Look at the drones have gone to the non-state actors, Houthis. And what are they causing? Nobody, actually notices the kind of damage which they are causing. You see, $200 billion just spent on the shipping for rerouting the shipping. Drones played a pivotal role in this. They were the eyes in the sky. ISR was their primary function, and they also did some offensive actions as well. India destroyed about 9 to 12 Pakistani air bases, neutralized multiple drone attacks with 95% accuracy. Don't bother about the platforms, bother about the wrap-on technologies. Wrap-on technologies are the ones like AI, cyber, EW. These are the ones which have to be put on your platforms like tanks. Indigenous supply chains have to be created so that we are not stranded during a war. Dual-use technologies can be exploited. Agriculture can be used for the defense. Then we have innovation requirements, strap-ons. What all can we do?